Bardo. I'm just at Malahat Recycling right now, picking up a headlight for the Turdareg since I ran it over. Yeah, pretty good. We'll see you later. What am I gonna drive now? See you later, turd. Oh yeah, I've got a Land Cruiser. After waiting 3 long months for the transmission rebuilt on the old Bruiser here and learning way too much that I want to know about Volkswagen Touaregs, the Cruiser's back on the road! Big thanks to Mekanix Customs Vancouver. Buddy there did a good job, whatever his name is. Clinton Wong. Yeah, you go, guy. I have no idea what happened to the transmission in the first place. No idea at all. We also won't bore you guys with the time-lapse footage of us installing the transmission because no one wants to see that anyways. It's really boring footage. Like, who wants to watch two grease monkeys in the garage install something in a truck? It's really boring. It's not good content, bro. Touareg's dead, Cruiser's alive again. Back to your regular scheduled programming. Why did I walk that way? The truck's right here. Oh, right, it's It's right-hand drive.